A hard reset will erase all of your data, including contacts, messages, photos, videos, and other sensitive information. This content provided is for educational purposes only.
Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Note 20 Ultra, Samsung Note 20 Ultra, and we're gonna quickly perform a hard reset on this phone using key combination. So the first thing, in this phone you cannot hard reset with this power button combination without something which is the USB cable. So here the quick method is you have to insert the USB cable and then restart the phone like this. I'm gonna put it off. Now the phone is off. You can quickly switch from volume down to volume up button while holding the power button. So I think I can release from here, and then phone is off right now. You can still try from this stage power button and the volume up button together. I'm pressing right now just like that. So the second you see the Samsung logo, you can release the power button and keep holding the volume up button. So you should get a menu just like this. So we are in the recovery mode at the moment, so I'm gonna perform a wipe data factory reset. We're gonna select with this power button, and then here is the confirmation, volume down and factory reset. There we go, everything has been deleted from your phone. And I'm gonna delete the wipe. I'm gonna wipe the cache partition also using the power button. Just select yes, and we are done. So here I'm gonna reboot the system now. So the phone is restarting. It's gonna take a while, so I'm gonna put it on this and wait for it. See, the phone is on.